Okay, in this video we're going to solve the CodingBat problem first half from string 1. For this one they are asking to return the first half of any given string. So this is the method name, this is the input, this is the output. They set up the header for you. String is what we're returning, right? These are our returns. It's of type string, so I have to have the word string here, the name of the method, and string is what my input is, right? All these three are strings. That's what my input is. So there's two methods we're going to have to use here. We have to find the length. So let's take a quick look at the Java API, and we can see here that our return type is int for the length method, and it needs no inputs. So how do I call that over here? So I'm going to, always my return type is first. I'm saving the int. I can put it in any variable name. I can call this ABCD. We're going to call it length. We want our variable names to be descriptive. I'm calling the length method on a string. I can only call methods on the class that they are a type of. My variable name string is what's holding my input. Excuse me, str is holding my input. So it's variable name dot method name and any inputs it might need. So after this call, the integer length or the variable length will hold the length of whatever string is input. It's going to vary depending on what's passed in. Then I'm just going to return, I'm going to use the substring method on string. This is what I want to break up, right? The guy that came in. So I'm going to call substring on string. Let's just take a quick look at substring. You need to be very familiar with how to use the Java API over here and finding the right methods and how to call it. So I'm going to just keep doing that for each one that we need to call. So for the substring method, let's find it here. We want the one that we can give two cut points to. So a begin index and an end index, and it returns a string. So if I click on this guy, you can see I have to pass in two integers, and it's going to return a cut of the string that's passed in. So I'm returning a string that satisfies this portion, and I'm going to start at the very beginning, and I'm going to stop at half the length. And you can see that works for everything. These are all the tests, and those are my answers, and they're all correct.